In this Google Ads Essentials video, we're going to talk about selecting a campaign type. We started the first step, which is to choose an objective. Now we're down to the campaign type. There's 7 different types of campaigns. There's a campaign for trying to drive apps, downloads of your app. There's campaigns for YouTube called video. There's campaigns for your shopping or e-commerce site called shopping. There's display campaigns that are just display ads that run on the Google Ads network and various different sites that they work with, like Wall Street Journal and things like that. There's demand gen, which is a general campaign that's going to show up all different places and properties that Google owns. These are typically not what you want for local lead generation. There's performance max, also not what you want for local lead generation. So what do you want for local lead generation? You want to select a search campaign. So we will highlight search, and that'll take us to the next step. I'm Mark with Inbound Revenue. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below. I look forward to hearing from you folks. And if you have any need for Google Ads at all, reach out to me at inboundrevenue.com. Thank you.